Good morning, guys. This is Danny here at ParTay. So, seen a couple of videos over the past couple of days about, acrylic panels that are coated with high technology that allows you to get an image on both the front and the back. 90% hot spotting, stopping, that kind of stuff. So, just wanted to show you just how easy this is, and once again, why you should never just go out and spend hundreds of dollars on something without doing some research yourself. So I just wanted to help you guys this morning and show you something. So this is a mixture here of 4 tablespoons of water, or it was 4 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of flour. Now I've coated that. Some of you guys have seen this panel before. You can see this is our diffusion coat that I'd put on the panel before. I just coated over that. Did 3 coats of the flour and water mix, just real light thin coats with a foam brush, just kind of rolled it on there and got it all squeaky clean. Now you could do 4 or 5 and you'd still get the same results because there's going to be a level of transparency that happens with the panel. I didn't add any coffee to it. That's just for me. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can replicate those kind of images with basic flour and water. So just hold on a second and I'll be back with you. All right, so apologies, I don't have a better setup. Our new workspace is being created. Until then, I'm just using chairs and stuff like that. So you guys just bear with us. But there you go. So this is flour and water on a panel. You'll notice it's not hot spotting. I've got the projector setting 10 feet away. It's an EKI 2500 lumen projector setting 10 feet away. You get front and rear projection. Look at where's the projector glare. So let's find that. There we go. And bring it over here so that you can see. Look at that. See that little spot? That's the projector glare. And you can get this same kind of thing very easily. Hold on, let me put us on another video. I'm going to pause it just so I don't have dead time. All right, there we go. Got something playing now. So now this is flour and water. Once again, 4 parts water, 1 part flour. Now to optimize this, what you do is I would recommend that you take 4 parts poly. Just a cheap water-based poly. You can use regular poly, but it makes it more difficult. So I would just say a cheap water-based poly, and then add in a 1/4 part of silver metallic paint, and then 1 to 1.5 parts flour. And the only reason I say flour is because most people have that around their house, and you can mix that in, and you can get absolutely stunning results off of that. There is no need to spend hundreds of dollars to get something that costs, if you use the panel this size, something that costs you, $15, $16 to make. It's just ludicrous that somebody would charge, a few $100s for this kind of thing. And that's kind of one of my missions, is I want to make sure people aren't getting scammed out there. So once again, flour and water, and you can achieve this kind of result if you use poly and just a little silver paint mixed in with the flour, because you want to keep it diffusive, otherwise it's going to spot. Do about 3 to 4 coats on it and you're good to go. All right, you guys have a great day.